So as a young man, I guess when he got out of the army, he moved to Paris, which I understand a great many young intellectuals from Eastern Europe, intellectuals, artists, and so forth. Paris was a real magnet destination in that era. So he moved there in the early to mid 1920s and really lived out his young adulthood in Paris and was forever after a tremendous lover of French culture. I think that was probably a really wonderful, vivid time in his life. And that's when he began to write. And he wrote for a number of journals, newspapers, publication, all in the Yiddish language. And he had some family there because two of his siblings from Tomashov had also moved there. But perhaps because he was single, perhaps because he was a journalist and maybe had his ear to the ground a little more than others may have, he, I guess, became aware of the Nazi menace before others did, and he was able to leave Paris and went to North Africa, to Morocco, just months before the German occupation.